Hello, this is Taj Tyres. I've got a Mercedes C Class here, right there, as you can see at the top there. So it's from 2007 to 2014 model. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light. Now this is the procedure. If you've got that sort of steering wheel right there with 4 buttons, and if you've got 8 or 12 buttons, then I'll show you that as well. But before I go back, I'll just show you this. So you've got to switch the ignition to position 1, repeatedly press button B, which is that top bit there, and then just remember the A and the C as well. So you then press the A button, within 1 second press the C together, and then just follow the procedure right there. And then just once you've done it, just switch the ignition off. I will show you to you how it's done on the car as well. Now you can see the 12 button display. So that's the 12 button display. So you've got the steering wheel is just a bit like this. If that's what you've got, then that's the procedure right there as well. So turn the ignition to key position 1, and then as follow, press A, which is there, and then B within 5 seconds, which is on the right hand side, the call button. You can have a look at this, and then I'll show you on the car as well. Right, that's the reset procedure, so we'll follow through with the car in a minute. Okay, thank you. Right, yeah, this is the model right here. If that's what you got, then to reset it, it's a quite simple procedure. Right, now that I'm in the car, so that's the steering wheel you'll be looking at right there. So that's the buttons I need to press. Now if I show it to you, you need to put position 1, only the light comes on. So you can see service B is due right now, and this car is quite complicated, so you got to do it right the first time. So I then need to press the R button, so make sure the speedo is displayed, and then press the R and the plus button together. On the middle right there, as you can see, you've got the voltage coming up. I then press this button here, SS plus. I then press the R button. I then press the service data. Full service, press R. Service 2, press R. I then press this. Confirm with an R. And then you got to press up and down from here. So service done, yes. Confirm, yes. Now that's all done. That's all you got to do on this model. I mean, it is quite an awkward one, so you know, I'll just press R again, just to confirm, press R again, yes, because I've done the full service on this. So make sure. Right, that's not complete. So the first time it was done, so I can't redo it again. But this vehicle here is quite a complicated one, so you just got to make sure you follow the procedure right, and that's it. So if I switch the ignition off, take the key out, switch the ignition back on, in the middle, you'll no longer have the service sign come up. That's it. That's all you need to do. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.